Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Unlock the ultimate advantage in PUBG Mobile Lite by playing on your PC. You'll gain pinpoint accuracy with mouse and keyboard, see enemies clearer on a bigger screen, and enjoy smoother frame rates for a truly competitive edge. This setup completely transforms your gaming experience, letting you dive into intense battles with unparalleled control and comfort, making every single match more enjoyable and strategic. Before you jump into the action, ensure your computer is fully ready. Bluestacks, the leading Android emulator, requires a decent dual-core processor, 4 GB of RAM, and up-to-date graphics drivers for optimal performance. A strong, stable internet connection is equally vital to prevent lag and ensure smooth online matches. Also, make sure you have sufficient free storage, as both the emulator and game take up a good amount of space. Getting started is straightforward. First, head to the official Bluestacks website and download the very latest version for 2025. Once downloaded, run the installer and simply follow the intuitive on-screen prompts. It's a quick process that effortlessly sets up your Android environment. After Bluestacks is fully installed and running, open the Google Play Store right inside it, search for PUBG Mobile Lite, and hit install to get the game ready to play. To truly master PUBG Mobile Lite on PC, optimizing your setup is key. Dive into the Bluestacks settings and allocate more CPU cores and RAM for superior performance, ensuring your game runs without a hitch. Next, customize your key bindings meticulously. Setting up intuitive controls for movement, shooting, and looting will give you a significant tactical advantage. Finally, don't forget to crank up the in-game graphics and frame rate settings for the clearest, most responsive visual experience. With your setup ready, focus on refining your skills. Spend time in the training ground to internalize your new mouse and keyboard controls. Muscle memory is crucial for quick reactions. Always use voice chat to coordinate with your team effectively, turning every match into a strategic triumph. Remember to keep both Bluestacks and PUBG Mobile Lite updated for the newest features and performance enhancements. Now, jump in, dominate the battlefield, and enjoy the ultimate PUBG Mobile Lite experience on your PC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.